Hello, I'm Jerry Ford. Got Jeremy Ford over here, and we got these new, limited edition Firework Oreos with popping candy. I guess Pop Rocks type stuff.
I think so.
140 calories per 2 cookies. I guess they're getting ready for the 4th of July, huh? Okay. Not a whole lot on the ingredients. Just all right. Let's see what these things are like. Okay. Smell like cotton candy. You're getting the Oreo plus that kind of cotton candy, kind of marshmallow kind of aroma.
Got colorful little candy pieces in there.
Oh yeah, show them. Huh. Might be a little bit of vanilla or something. I'd like to dunk these in some coffee or something, or some milk. Smell really good. Let's try it. Them little Pop Rocks are kind of hard. Whoa.
You can hear them.
That's a trip. What does it mean that it echoes in my head like that?
It must be hollow up there.
That's what I'm thinking. Very good. I'll let Mama try these. Check them out. You see them? Grab a package of them. They're worth trying. Lots of popping going on. That's weird. All right. Well, thank you for watching. We appreciate it. We'll see you all on the next one. Bye.